Today, I'll show you how to create a complete video using AI. Script with ChatGPT, voice with ElevenLabs, and editing in CapCut. Simple, fast, and budget-friendly. You'll see the full workflow step by step. We'll start with a clear idea, generate a script with prompts, create natural voiceover, add visuals, music, captions, and export for YouTube. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to produce a full video in a single session. Quick note, this is educational content, not sponsored. Always check the licenses of any music or footage you use. Let's begin with what you need. Tools and resources. 1. ChatGPT or any similar LLM for scripting and on-screen text. 2. ElevenLabs for AI voice. 3. CapCut Desktop or DaVinci Resolve or Premiere for editing. 4. Free stock from Pexels, Unsplash, or Pixabay. 5. Music from the YouTube audio library or any royalty-free source. Step 1. Define your topic and angle. The fastest way to finish a video is to start with a clear promise. Answer these 3 questions. What problem do you solve? What result will viewers get? In how much time? For example, invest €100 today, step by step in 4 minutes. Or, create a full video with AI, start to finish, in under 20 minutes. Now let's generate the script. Open ChatGPT. Use this simple prompt to get a clean, beginner-friendly script. Prompt. Write a YouTube video script in English about topic for beginners. Duration, 10 to 12 minutes. Style, clear, short sentences, no heavy jargon. Structure, hook, 15 seconds. What will build and tools. Step-by-step process, 5 to 7 steps. Common mistakes, summary and action plan. Include short on-screen text cues and a final CTA. Review the draft. Cut long sentences. Replace buzzwords with everyday language. Add 1 example per step. Aim for clarity over cleverness. If you want on-screen text, ask ChatGPT for a separate list, like, give me on-screen text by timestamps, 5 to 8 words each, mobile safe. Step 2. Create the voiceover in ElevenLabs. Copy your script into ElevenLabs. Choose a neutral, conversational English voice. Suggested settings. Speed 1.02 to 1.05 for tutorials. Stability 55 to 70. Clarity 65 to 75. Style 6 to 10. Enable speaker boost if available. If your account supports SSML, add short pauses at section breaks and mild emphasis on key words. Generate in segments of 30 to 90 seconds. Listen for mispronunciations. If a term is read incorrectly, add a phonetic hint in parentheses or split the line. Export your voiceover as WAV or high-quality MP3. Step 3. Collect visuals and B-roll. You have 3 options. 1. Screen recordings of your steps. 2. Free stock video and images from Pexels, Unsplash, or Pixabay. 3. Simple motion graphics or text on background. Pick visuals that support the words. Every 5 to 8 seconds, change the shot or add motion. Keep it simple and readable. Step 4. Edit in CapCut. Create a new 1920 by 1080 project. Import your voiceover, B-roll, music, and logo. Place the voiceover on the main timeline. Cut the visuals to match each sentence. Add subtle motion, zooms, pans, or position shifts of 2 to 5%. Add captions. Use CapCut's auto captions or import an SRT. Limit to 2 lines. Use a clean font like Inter or Montserrat. Make sure your text stays inside the mobile safe area. Leave 90 to 120 pixels on the sides, 220 to 260 pixels at the top, and 300 to 340 pixels at the bottom. Add on-screen text for key points. Keep it to 4 to 6 words per line. High contrast. Add a 2 to 4 pixel outline or soft shadow. Step 5. Music and sound design. Choose 1 simple track from the YouTube audio library. Keep it low under the voice. Set voice at around -14 LUFS integrated. Set music around -30 LUFS in quiet sections. Use sidechain ducking so the music dips slightly under speech. Add 1 or 2 sound effects for transitions only if they help clarity. Avoid overusing whooshes and glitches. Step 6. Color and finishing touches. Add mild contrast plus 10 to 15%. Reduce saturation by 5 to 10% if colors are too strong. A subtle film grain of 3 to 6 can unify shots. Keep everything clean and readable. Step 7. Export. Resolution 1920 by 1080, 30 or 60 frames per second. H.264, 12 to 20 megabits per second for YouTube. Audio, 48 kHz, peaks at -1 decibel true peak. Integrated loudness near -14 LUFS. Name your file clearly. AI_tutorial ChatGPT_ ElevenLabs CapCut _V01. Step 8. Upload and optimize. Title with the tools and the promise. AI tutorial. Make a full video with ChatGPT plus ElevenLabs plus CapCut step by step. In the first 2 lines of your description, repeat the promise and main keywords. Add 4 to 6 bullets, what viewers will learn. Include your resources and a short disclaimer about licenses. Add chapters that match your sections. Use 8 to 12 hashtags like #AI, #ChatGPT, #ElevenLabs, #CapCut, and #tutorial. Add 20 to 30 tags with variations like text to video, AI voice, fast editing, export 1080p. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Long, complicated sentences in the script. Keep it short. 2. No mobile safe area. Your captions get covered by interface elements. 3. Loud music and quiet voice. Always mix for clarity. 4. Exporting at the wrong loudness. Normalize voice and set peaks carefully. 5. Overloading with effects. Simplicity wins. Summary and action plan. Define a clear promise and topic. Generate a short, structured script with ChatGPT. Create a clean voiceover with ElevenLabs. Edit fast in CapCut with captions and safe text. Add music, then export at proper settings. Upload with strong title and description. Add chapters, hashtags, and tags. If you want my templates, type "I want templates" in the comments. I'll share the prompts, the SSML starter, and a CapCut preset. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.